Hello students, once again this is Mr. Abdullah, and today we'll have lesson 11. Our lesson today is about our online tracks. We're going to know what's mean online tracks. And our essential question, how does our online activity affect the digital footprints of ourselves and others? How does our online activity affect the digital footprints of ourselves and others? And our learning objectives: understand the term digital footprint and identify the online activities that contribute to it. And our first success criteria: first one, identify ways they are and are not in control of their digital footprints. Second one, understand what responsibilities they have for the digital footprints of themselves and others. And number three, create a presentation about online tracks using PowerPoint or Keynote. Okay, let's start. Here we're going to analyze this image and look here. What do you notice in this image? What can you infer about the animal that left this? Take a few seconds to think about it. You can pause the video and think about it. Here another photo. What do you notice in this image? What can you infer about this animal? Take a few seconds as well to think about it. Pause the video and think. These images are both examples of how animals leave imprints on their world even after they are gone. We can learn things about animals based on those imprints. In some cases, like with fossils, those imprints last forever. What about humans? What imprints do we leave on the world? Answer may include our bones, our footprints, buildings, etc. In addition to the physical footprints we leave on the earth, we also leave a footprint when we are online. And that footprint, just like a fossil, can tell a lot about us and can last for a very long time. This is called a digital footprint, and it is a record of what we do online, including the sites we visit and the things we post. It can also include things that others post, like pictures of us or comments about us. Not everything in our footprint is under our control. Okay? Digital footprint. We learn from the things now. We find out what this digital footprint is. A record of what you do online, including the sites you visit and the things you post. It can also include things that others post that involve you, such as pictures or comments. Now we understand what's mean digital footprint. Okay, we have another word called responsibility, and you know already what's mean responsibility. A duty you have to yourself or others. From this, we need to discuss two things now: responsibilities to ourselves and responsibilities to others. When you are online, you need to show, for responsibility to ourselves, show your best self when you are online. Only post things you are comfortable showing publicly. Okay, responsibility to others: you need to get a permission before posting a picture of someone or tagging them, right? Treat others online how you would want to be treated. Okay? Okay. Now let's come to the activity, the assignment. What's required from you? You need to use PowerPoint or Keynote to create a presentation about our online tracks. I'll show you in the example. This is an example here. I create two slides. Okay, the title, our online tracks, and your name. And here, the responsibility. The same things that I just write, you can write another responsibility or copy what I write here, or you can add more than two. I use here the borders, I mean tables. You can go insert, then table. How many you're gonna write? I just put two titles. Then how many you're going to write? You can select how many you want. Then you click, it will be created. Okay, you can select the slide here as a title only to keep a space to enter your table, and just add any picture related to the footprint. That's all for today. And remember, we define who we are. Thank you. Goodbye.